Once a year, Envision and Leadership Initiatives invite select students from across the globe to take part in the Global Young Innovators Initiative at Harvard University. For 1 week, students begin to transform the world by partnering with fish farmers, welders, tailors, mechanics, irrigation farmers, carpenters, electricians, and more to solve 3 developmental issues their partner business is facing. During this time, students Skype, call, and email their business partners, exchanging ideas while learning about one another's lives and families, creating a true cross-cultural exchange. Once a business owner and the students identify a developmental issue that needs to be addressed, they begin to create solutions to those problems. For example, in 2014, our fish farmers wanted to learn a way to make their own fish food, and our tailoring business wanted to create a new logo and advertising campaign for their business. Students partnered with these businesses, researched and explored ways to use local crops to create a more nutritious and less expensive form of fish feed, while tailoring students created a logo and advertisements to promote the business. After the conference ends, students of the Global Young Innovators Initiative have the opportunity to apply to join Leadership Initiative's International Business Alliance program. The International Business Alliance program is an expanded version of the Global Young Innovators Initiative. Over 18 months, this program is designed to inspire and coordinate the efforts of young leaders in high schools to create global change. The program expands the leadership capacity of high school students on a local and regional level throughout the world, creating a new generation of leaders with a greater understanding and depth of experience in international development. Unite with hundreds of students who are committed to bringing the opportunity of democracy and economic prosperity to communities around the world. Join the Global Young Innovators Initiative. Transform the world. Coming June 2015, www.icantransformtheworld.com.